Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is Azalea Japonica, Mary Helen. Look at it, the amount of flowers. You could not count the amount of flowers in this plant. Some just opening and some fully open. It's a dwarf evergreen shrub. Does very well like this one is doing in a pot or container or out in open ground. Now this one is 2 years older than this plant here. And you can see this one has lots and lots of flower buds on, ready to open as well. So 2 years in the difference. You can see how this one has filled out and done extremely well. They're fantastic in pots or containers because the root system is small or out in open ground. But either way, it's important to position them properly. And if you position them properly, first and last flower can be over about 10 weeks. Position sheltered from early morning sun. Early morning sun after a nice frost in spring can make an awful mess of the flowers. Be careful that way. And they like to be a little bit shaded. So facing north is a perfect spot in a little bit of shade for this plant. That's Azalea Mary Helen, well worth finding a spot for, and the white stands out fantastically well in the garden. The amount of flowers in that is just fantastic. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.